I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll try to do the 4K 60 FPS playback test using the YouTube application. So previously friends, I did a video using the MX player and the normal video players, but then I never tried using the online streaming service like YouTube application using the 4K 60 FPS playback test. So let's see whether the IQ7 phone will be able to handle that kind of 4K 60 FPS streaming or not, whether there is any kind of lag going on or not. So that is what I'll be focusing right now in this video. As you can clearly see friends, right now I'm trying to use the IQ7 device and I'm trying to use with the external RAM capabilities as well, and I did turn on the 120Hz refresh rate as well. So everything is turned on to the maximum, as you can see here friends clearly. So this will be the really interesting thing to test because few of the streaming services, they do offer high quality resolution playback, so it will be a really good thing to test. So here's the YouTube application which I'm going to test right now, so which has the latest update, and we'll be able to play the 4K 2K resolution directly from the YouTube as well. So let me quickly open the settings. So what settings I'm trying to use right now. So this is a 4K HDR setting. So let me show you friends, as you can see here. So this is a 4K resolution and you can use up to, let me slightly decrease the brightness. So it's really hard to see. So this HDR mode, automatically the brightness will increase. So let me show you here itself. So it is a 4K 60 FPS, which is HDR, as you can see. So 4K 60 FPS in HDR mode. So let's see friends whether we'll be able to play this video very smooth or not. So that is what I'm going to test right now in this video. As you can see friends, right now I'm trying to play the 4K 60 FPS, and which is kind of playing really smooth, and your internet connection should be really very high connection to get this kind of 4K 60 FPS continuously streaming. So right now on the top of the notification panel, you can see I'm getting about 5 Mbps, 6 Mbps download. As you can see, the browsing speed will be close to 40 Mbps at this point. So when with the normal 40 Mbps of Wi-Fi speed, you will be able to stream it properly without any buffering. So right now, as you can see friends, I'm trying to forward as well, and you can see it's taking some kind of time for loading. So right now it loaded, as you can see. For example, if I'm trying to forward 10 seconds and it's taking kind of 10 seconds to come to that position, as you can see. So there's no point in forwarding as well for the 10 seconds of time. So this with the 4K HDR 60 FPS using the YouTube application, directly playing in this IQ7 device by streaming. So there's no lag at this point of playing the video. Let me do forward as well. So let me directly point at one point, and as you can see, it's kind of right now loading. As you can see friends, clearly it's loading, and it's playing really smooth, no issues at this point. So overall, I think the 4K HDR 60 FPS is kindly supported, I think, in this IQ7 device without much problem and interruption at all. So I'll try to do this kind of 4K 60 FPS comparison even with other smartphones in case if you are interested. So make sure to comment below what smartphones you want me to compare. And thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.